Yes, sir.
Sinalin niya sa Tagalog, pero ito yung tema. Pero parang parehas ang quotation. Ang gawin natin dyan.
Okay. So, regarding with intellectual rights, children, stop the commotion. Pass your papers forward quietly. Yung question daw po tungkol sa mga intellectual properties, sa maaari din natin kinukumit lahat tayo. Bawal po mag-photocopy ng mga pyesa, bawal po mag-photocopy ng mga bagay na hindi nabibilang sa atin. Pwede po siyang photocopy kung i-discuss lang ninyo, but not for public viewing, but not for public interest. Okay? Dapat pang sarili lang natin. Regarding sa intellectual rights, intellectual property, talagang hindi po pwede. Kahit isalin po natin, basta pareho, hindi po siya pwede. Especially kung ang tono po kasi ang music notation ang pinag-uusapan natin. Yung tono ang pinag-uusapan natin. Pati ang lyrics. Kung binago ang lyrics, may mga pagkakataon, hindi naman po pinapansin. Pero ang tono, kung ako ang composer, hindi ako papayag na yan ay ma-revive. So if you plan to revive a particular music, if you like to translate a particular music, you have to have the permission of the composer. That is also discussed. So regarding with, I also encourage you to attend Philippine Choral Directors Association conferences. Doon din siya malalaman yung mga ideas tungkol dyan. But as far as my knowledge is concerned, hindi mo pwede ang ganun. You can translate, but you have to have the permission of the composer.
Good morning po.
Yes, good morning.
Is there any possible training for music na pwede po natin i-open?
Okay. Through online, you can ask Professor Leticia Del Valle of the PSNB, Philippine Society for Music Education. That's one. That is to improve the teaching strategies and approaches. Yun ang skills nila. Second, when it comes to choir, we have the Philippine Society, Philippine Choral Directors Association. Whether you are a conductor or not, you can learn a lot from it, especially training vocally. Third, ALEM is conducting a composition training for neophytes, for amateur. That's every May, that's every summer. Fourth, we have dance pros training in UP also. That is also every year. And fifth, we have Koday Society, which will teach you regarding with the hand signal of Koday. Okay? You can remember, which is a very exciting activity for children. Those are the training of music that I know of in the Philippines.
Sir, I attended a seminar 2 years ago in Lucas P.
Yes. That was PSME.
Yes.
Yes, that was me.
The body. Nung tinuro sa amin yung African music,
Yes.
I taught to my students and they began to appreciate the African music. Kumbaga ho, maganda pala yung registered learning. Kung nakikita nila ako.
Yes, exactly.
And without knowing, nire-record ko pala ng bata yung kanta namin kay Faith.
Yes.
Nakakatawa pero in-upload nila sa Airbnb, na-memorize nila yung kanta. Ang hirap po memorize, diba?
Yes.
Kahit tignan natin yung Korean music, yung tono pa lang at saka yung paraan
Harina, oh my God.
nagtatawag mo yung mga bata. Pero kung matatandaan nila, through the advantage of the technology, makakatulong po sa ating mga teachers. Kasi ang teachers po na matatanda na mahirap ng mga focus.
But of course, it's always time to learn, of course.
Kahit mo naman gusto namin, sir, matutunan ng bigla, eh ayaw mo yata ng music. Kaya ang gusto namin tayo, sir, yung konti-konti ang matutunan.
Yes.
Hindi naman yung kumunti ng training yung iba. Pero kung atin naman pa yung private doon sa mga seminars, eh, gusto naman ang pera namin, sa schedule namin.
Well, that is what we call investments. There's no such free ride in this world. You have to pay for it.
Yes, sir, we are teaching mga pair. Hindi lang po
Patay. Okay. Siguro, in a way, maybe you can ask from your division offices. Kasi may mga teachers sila na may mga music supervisors sila. And they are trained actually, nationally trained sila. Maybe you can ask the help of your division supervisors on how they can help you to train in music particular.